everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time for another car haul because it's so much easier doing it this way than me hauling everything in and going in the basement. And a lot of this stuff is groceries anyways, so it's easier if I just do my video now, share with you guys what I got. I'm just gonna roll my window down a little bit. Share with you guys what I got, and then yeah, my car's off. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I got for the third time, and yeah, so it ended up being super cheap, super cheap, because there is a ton of bonuses. And I think I'm gonna start doing videos on Fridays now. The big reason is because they do a lot of weekend warriors, and why not get that extra buck? So, and then you guys can get some stuff, but they have some really good deals and a lot of freebies. So I ended up getting some of these freebies right here. This is Fit Aid. I don't really know exactly what it is, but I got Fit Aid, I got Immunity Aid, and then I also got Focus Aid. Now, these are all $2.48. I found these in the juice aisle, but $2.48. These are 3 different rebates, you guys. So you guys would pay $2.48 for each one, but then you guys will get $2.48 back with an back on Ibotta, making these absolutely free. I don't know if my husband has, I think he's had one of these. I think we got for free from like Kroger / Pick and Save, but these are a great deal if you guys want to do those absolutely free. Now I had to, my goal was to get 15 rebates because I wanted to get a couple different rebates, and I try to get at least 15 rebates every time I do it. But I ended up getting the Flex 5 of Bic. Now I did scan the other one, even though it's in the picture, it said it did not match, which was, I think, was kind of weird. Is if you guys get the one that's located in the, or that's on the picture, it doesn't scan very well. I know it's kind of weird. I'm just gonna try to scoot this over like this. But this was $5.22. You guys want to print a printable coupon. If you guys don't have the regular coupons, I never get them, but I used a printable coupon for $3 off the shopbicweb.com website. So you guys would pay $2.22 for this, but then you guys can submit a $4 rebate with Ibotta, making this a $1.78 moneymaker, which I think is a pretty good deal. I did the Swab dry spray. Now this was $4.47. You guys would pay $4.47 for this, but then you guys will get a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta. And then if you do 2 different Swab deals, which I did one a while ago, you guys will get a 50-cent bonus. So I did get a 50-cent bonus with this. So you guys can also submit a $1 rebate with checkout 51, making this either $3.22 or $2.72. So it just depends on what deal you guys want. Like, it's cold outside. It's cold and it's super windy, and now somebody's car alarm is going off. But I ended up getting the Snuggle scent boosters. Now these are like little packs that you put in your machine. I didn't even sniff this, but these were $3.97. Yeah, $3.97. I don't know if there's any coupons out there. I didn't have any anyways, but I paid $3.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.97. So I thought that was a pretty good deal on that. I ended up getting Sunkist, and the reason is all the pop there, or soda, which if you guys call it soda, was $1.58. The Sunkist was the only one that was $1.25. So I ended up just getting some more orange soda. So you guys would get this for $1.25. You would pay $1.25 for this, but then you would submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1, which I think $1 for those size bottles are a great deal. That's what they used to be when I was a kid. So we got that. Now, I was trying to figure out some deals, because some deals I did have written down, like I was going to do the Phillows deal again. Everybody's rebates different, but I'm like, I don't need to really do that until I try that cereal. I don't want to buy more. So I think this weekend Ben and I are going to do a taste test, hopefully. But I ended up getting these Nature Valleys. Now, I think there is coupons out there. I didn't have any on me, and I just kind of got this on a whim because I wanted to, yeah, there is coupons. There's 50-cent coupons, but I didn't have any on me. But I ended up getting this anyway. So this was, I've been wanting to try these. These were $2.72. You guys would pay $2.72. Otherwise, you would pay a little bit less if you have that 50-cent off coupon. Which, when this resets, I'll probably use that coupon anyways. But you guys would pay $2.72 or $2.22, depending on what it is. But there is a 50-cent rebate that you guys can submit with Ibotta, making this $2.22 or $1 something if you guys use that one coupon. So I got that anyways because I just wanted to try it. I got the salsa. Now I did try the regular salsa with this. It was actually pretty good, so I ended up getting some hot salsa for my husband. So this was $2.98. You guys would pay $2.98, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.23 for this. Not the greatest, but I really like salsa, and it's like more of like a fresh salsa, so I'm okay with that than some of the other stuff that I got. I ended up getting this Mahatma rice. Now, there's just regular Jasmine rice or there's cilantro, and I am a huge fan of cilantro. So I got the cilantro limon Jasmine rice, and this was $1.88. You guys would pay $1.88 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.88 rebate, making these absolutely free. So definitely do that. I like it how you can actually see the rice right on the bottom. There is a ton of freebies in the Ibotta app right now, you guys, so definitely do that. My store doesn't have about half the items in there. You can check on through the app and see if you have it, but some items say they don't have it, but then you physically look for it and they do have it. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. I also ended up getting the Spiderman Gummies. Now these were $2 a piece. I checked online before they had them. I had a 50-cent, no, what did I use? I had a $1 off of 2 coupon that I used. So you guys would pay $3 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent off of 2 or 50-cent each rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards. So you guys get points for that. So you guys would just get these for $1 a box, which I think is a pretty great deal, especially if you guys need, you know, snacks for the kids for school. There's like 3 people in front of me. There's one guy just sitting in front of me right now, and there's a person on the left of me, and I'm just like, come on people, let's leave. So I did this cereal deal. Now this isn't the greatest deal, but I wanted to do it anyways. So I got Raisin Bran. Raisin Bran was $2.58, and I got cornflakes for $2.72. I ended up using a $1 off of 2 coupon that we got a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $4.30 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a 70-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 65-cent rebate with Ibotta for the cornflakes. Comes out to be just $2.95 or $1.47. So I think that's a pretty decent deal if you guys want to get some cereal. And I know that cereal that Graham likes to eat. I ended up getting the Twinkies again just because, you know, why not? So these were $2.50. You guys want to just pay $2.50, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.50. So in case you guys need some Twinkies. I also got the Equal Plus. Now the Equal Plus is something a little bit different. There's one with caffeine in it and there's one without. I didn't care for it. But these were $3.47. We did get some $2 off coupons in our inserts this past Sunday, I think. You guys would end up paying $1.47 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 72 cents. And there is 100 packets in here for 72 cents. That is a great deal. And now I just got one more bag for you guys. One more bag. And it looks like it's just Pop-Tarts. So I ended up just doing Pop-Tarts. I like eating Pop-Tarts. I kind of eat this when I'm on the go. I mean, I'll eat a breakfast, and then when I go somewhere, especially for work, I just eat Pop-Tarts in the car. But these were $1.98. $1.98. You guys want to use that $1 off of 3 coupon that we got from our inserts a while back ago. You would pay $4.94 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 3 with Ibotta, making this just $3.44 or $1.14, which I think is a pretty good deal. You can also submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards for the cereal and for the Pop-Tarts, and you guys will get points for that. And I also have it where I can get a free book. I have like one more thing where I can get a free book. So I did buy 3 of them. They're just in this bag right here. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. A lot of food items, which I was excited for, just because like I'm sick of getting personal care items. I like getting food items. So my grand total came to $43.30 for everything. I ended up getting $23.07 back with Ibotta. I also got $1 back with checkout 51, and I got my money like super fast. I hit the Weekend Warrior. I know I had to hit 12 rebates to get the Weekend Warrior, so that was a $1 rebate right there. There was a special kind of bonus that I found on Facebook that I clicked on, and it asked me, like, I get to choose my bonus. Now, I could have chose, I think it was like a $1, a $3, a $5, and a $10, but the $10 one, I had to hit like 30 rebates by a certain date, and I'm like, I don't know if I'll hit that. So I'm like, I'll just do the $5 one, and the $5 one, I just had to get 15 rebates, because that's usually what I do. So I got a $5 green apple rebate, or bonus rebate. I also finished level 2, so that was $1. I also finished the pumpkin spice rebate. I think I needed 30 rebates to finish that one, so that was between this haul and the last haul. I got 10 bucks for that. And then I also received a 50-cent bonus for Swab. So my grand total came out to be $1.73 for 19 items. That comes out to be just 9 cents a piece. I was pretty excited about that. Yeah, I basically just had a $50 gift card. I didn't even use my whole $50 gift card, and I got pretty much a lot of my money back. So I am pretty excited about that. Sorry, my throat's getting a little scratchy. I had too much fun at the Backstreet Boys concert, and my voice is a little raspy from it. I want to say that was probably one of the best concerts I ever went to. So definitely check me out on Instagram if you guys want to see all the videos that I posted. But other than that, yes, that was my Ibotta haul. I was pretty excited for everything that I got. I kind of took my sweet time there because I wanted to make sure I got the right rebates. But other than that, that is everything that I got. Miss Charlotte is sleeping in the back, and now I am heading home to finish this video by showing you guys the breakdowns. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all maybe next week, Friday, for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.